a class with Campus Princess, and I always have my makeup products, and I come in and do a class and teach you a basic look.
Right.
But today is going to be a very different setup, wherein I am not going to be teaching you makeup physically, but there are a lot of things that I can be teaching you alongside. I just need you to all have your makeup kits in front of you. So if you can quickly grab all of your makeup kits, will be fantastic. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run you through a few steps of makeup, so you hear me out, and then I'll take a couple of questions from you and whatever you require. So for starters, I'm giving you a list of things. It is up to you to go ahead and invest in those things for the betterment of how you groom yourself. You're obviously here because you're just starting out. It is a raw product and you're going towards a journey to be a finished product, right? So I always see girls with a different color foundation, which is probably 3 shades lighter than you are, or a foundation color that is too yellow for your skin.
Hello ma'am, so can you suggest some color correctors for bluish dark veins under my eye?
Now this is taught to a makeup artist on their first day, and that is called
The palette.
the color wheel.
palette.
It's called the color wheel. So for example, if you see that your skin tone is actually bluish, okay, then you need to correct it with an orange color concealer.
Okay.
If you've got like pigmentation or purple, you need to use something else like that. If you've got a reddish undertone, like a rosacea or reddish pimples, you need to use green concealer. Okay? So everything that is on the opposite side of the wheel is something that you should use. So when you look at a color wheel and you spot, okay, that's the color that I have, you buy that shade. Now I'm going to tell you today that you need to do something which is called duality. Duality, D-U-A-L-I-T-Y. Duality meaning you need that makeup to last for a long time, because you're going to do a shoot which is not only 6 hours, it's going to be more than 8 hours, more than 10 hours, more than 12 hours, more than 15 hours even. So you need your makeup to completely last. Once you've put your under eye creams or whatever you want to, ensure that the under eye area is pretty dry as well. As much as it's hydrated, as much as it's moisturized. Now I'm not telling you to take a tissue and completely dry it, because if you take a tissue and completely dry it, there'll be cracking as well of the concealer.
Right.
Okay, so ensure that it is sufficiently moisturized and you pat it lightly, and then you go on with your concealer. Now very important, motion of your concealer. Sometimes some people will just put their concealer like this, but what is an extremely important way, say that this is your brush, this is your flat brush. Take the concealer and just put a horizontal line under your eyes. You can just take your flat brush, your concealer brush, and just go on with the concealer like this. That ensures that instantly it'll be like magic. You've concealed your under eye. After you've done that, you can even take your finger, or you can take a tiny baby blender. Beauty Blender has those tiny mini blenders or baby blenders, and you can just take that and then go on with that motion. So go on in the inner corner of your eyes and also take it on the outer corner of your eyes. Okay? I think we have also come to the end of the class. I don't mind taking your last 2 questions. Mehak, Deep, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, actually I have used concealers, and I was thinking to buy a dark shade concealer of Fit Me instead of a contour. That will work?
No. Not at all. Yeah? It depends on what. Now, when you use a contour, you need to use something which is already dark chocolate brown. But I'm not telling you to press it on your face. It needs to be just a light this thing on your face with a brush, of course.
Okay, ma'am.
But contour, the production of a contour is such because it has a particular reason why it is a contour. A concealer is made into that formula because there is a reason why it is a concealer. That the composition is important. So I know sometimes you can say, okay, let's use this lipstick on the eyes, and people show you all these different things. Those are fads. Now you're getting into something which is extremely professional. You're not like a young girl anymore who's showing DIYs and multi-purpose things. Ek lipstick, yahan pe dalo, yahan pe karo, yahan pe dalo, everything. You're a professional now, and you're entering a professional industry. You don't want to be using one product for everything. So a contour is a contour, and like I said, there's duality. Use a cream contour and use a powder contour. Okay.
I have another question, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, the only thing is that whenever I use lashes, I can do all my makeup, but when I do lashes, like they don't stick. The fake lashes, if I put them on one side, they come out from the other, and if I just take the other side, they come out from the other.
Nice. Funny, right? You must be looking funny at that time.
The makeup is so perfect, and my lashes, like, they are not perfect.
I understand. The way to fit lashes is you even take the end of the earbud. You don't take the cotton side, of course. You cut off the cotton tip and you use the end so that it is another pointy tip. You put it onto the earbud and you put it on the lash band. You have to wait and you have to dry it for 2 minutes. Almost a minute, minute and a half at least before you stick. Only once the glue is tacky, it's going to fit. Fresh glue you should never fit on the eye. There's another great trick that I will tell you. The minute you take the glue and you put it on your eyeliner brush. Can you hear what I'm saying? Take the eyelash glue, put it on your eyeliner brush and make a glue eyeliner. Just make a glue eyeliner on both sides. Wait for your glue eyeliner to dry. Of course, don't forget to put the glue on the band as well. Wait for some time. Wait for a minute. Now there's glue on your eyes as well as there's glue on the band. Then you stick it. There's no chance it will come out. Okay?